Hey there. I was asked for some tips on building a greenhouse, so I thought I'd walk you through the experience my wife and I had building this one. We bought this greenhouse kit from Temu for about $300. It's got a metal frame and it's got hard plastic paneling. As you can see, there's a wooden frame there. That's something that we had to buy separately and then build on our own. We've got 4x4 posts sunk into each corner and setting concrete down there. So what we did is we built the whole greenhouse frame and then we carried it out here and then marked each corner so that we could dig the post holes. And so we got those posts set and you know exactly where they needed to be, and then screwed these 2x4 runners along the bottom on all four sides so the greenhouse wouldn't be sitting directly on the ground. This is all treated lumber, by the way, pressure treated. And yeah, we've also got the panel secured here with these roofing screws with the little seal on them to keep those from blowing out, because those don't have any other reinforcement on the inside. The bottom ones do. They've got these cross braces right there. And let's see, this one did not come with a door latch, but we just jerry-rigged this up right here. And it works just fine. Keeps it closed. And then another benefit of this framing is we can hang stuff on it. We've got a hanging basket of strawberries going right here. Here's a little look at the hardware we've got holding this thing up. As far as growing media, you could just grow plants directly in the soil in your greenhouse if you just have, you know, a dirt floor. I opted to not do that. I opted to use like sterile potting media because I hate weeds. Weeds are the worst, and yeah, there's lots of seeds in the soil and I'm tired of fighting them. So maybe by using a sterile potting mix, this will be one place where weeds are not all that prevalent. Another thing that I'm considering is it's going to keep everything a little warmer. So like the pots sitting on the ground are going to be insulated, a little more insulated from all this frost and all this cold weather than they would be if they were just, you know, sunk to the ground. One final note, if you live in a place where there's lots of snow or just the potential for snow, you should get a greenhouse with a peaked roof so that it sheds the snow load and does not collapse, especially if it's that poly instead of the hard plastic, because you can get those with just the round hoops, and you want to get a peaked roof, trust me.